to upload fonts to Canva. If you don't have your own font, you can just Google fonts, and then you can go to a web page like 101fonts.com. I have no affiliation with this page whatsoever, but I do like this page, and you can just find the font that you want to use, and you want to click download, and it will download to a folder on your computer. So to upload a font, you just click the text that you want to have the new font on, and then you click the drop down menu, and you want to click upload a font, and then you find the font that you have downloaded and want to upload. Let's just choose this one, and then you want to click open, and then you want to click yes, upload away. I have already uploaded this font, so I'll just click skip conflict, and to find it you just click the drop down menu again, and then you scroll all the way down to uploaded fonts, and here you will find all the fonts that you have uploaded to Canva. So this is how to upload a font to Canva. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.